With AudioStream, you can stream audio directly from your phone to your SONNET series audio processor.
To stream music or other audio from a mobile device, make sure that AudioStream is attached to your audio processor. Ensure that your AudioStream is paired with your phone and a Bluetooth connection is established. Use your preferred application to play audio, including music, videos, and more. Sound from your mobile device will now be streamed directly to AudioStream. To change the level of sound you hear from AudioStream, simply adjust the volume on your device.
Now you can sit back, relax, and let the good vibes flow.